Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can add JavaScript onto your Canva website. So, if you've used other popular website editors such as Wix, Shopify, or Squarespace, you'll know that they have a developer mode or a code block element. This is basically a mode or a state or an element where you can inject code onto the website. And by chance, JavaScript is the one that's most popularly used because it alters the elements and gives to your website something dynamic. So if you press a button, it'll make something appear, or if you press a wheel, it'll add the value, something like that, right? And you think that Canva could have something similar to this, but they don't have a direct developer options mode. So the thing that I can show you right now is an app called Code View or Code Format, something like this. If you don't know how to get to it, is that when you first click on the left hand side here on apps, and you can search Canva apps. If I search code and I press enter, it'll show up this code format. Now let's click on code format, and in here I already have a JavaScript code that I copy and pasted, and you can see that there's a theme. You could also uh, change up something like this. See, Atom one light, Atom one dark, a lot of couple themes like Stack Overflow as well. I'm going to default. You can also change the language, like you can make it Bash, C Sharp, CSS, Go, Java, JavaScript, or JSON. And since we want to make it JavaScript, we're gonna make it JavaScript. So JavaScript, there you go. And for the theme, I'm just going to make it dark so it fits with the website here. Now, once you're happy with the code, you can click this to add to design. Now, there is an image of your JavaScript code like this. But of course, this is just an image of your JavaScript code in a code format, right? It won't actually run this code on your Canva website. If you want to run a JavaScript code, there is a, f- a feature that you can use to run JavaScript, and it's something popular. It's called an embed, right? When you embed something, anything like a YouTube video, what they use is a JavaScript to make this happen. If you click on embed here and then you click on YouTube, it'll embed a YouTube video just like this, right? And this is done with JavaScript. If you want to embed your own videos in YouTube, you just have to paste the link here and then click add to design.